$45,000, 1,000 kilometers of range. That's 620 miles in a full-size electric SUV. Tesla, Hyundai, Ford. You might want to pay attention, because the 2027 BYD Dynasty D is not just another EV. It might be the biggest disruption the SUV market has ever seen. Welcome to Wheel Verdict, where we break down the future of cars in simple, straight-to-the-point language. And today, we're looking at a machine that could seriously shake Tesla's dominance. This is the 2027 BYD Dynasty D. The Dynasty D looks bold. Massive front grille design, but fully electric. Slim LED light bar across the front. Sharp daytime running lights. Strong, muscular body lines. This is not a soft crossover, it's a commanding full-size SUV with presence. The side profile, long wheelbase, huge proportions, flush door handles, and the rear, full-width LED strip, futuristic taillights. Aggressive stance. It looks expensive, and that's dangerous for competitors. Step inside, and this feels like a $70,000 SUV. Massive central touchscreen, fully digital driver display, premium materials, soft touch everywhere, ambient lighting, panoramic glass roof, captain seats in higher trims, and because it's a full-size SUV, the space is insane. Third row seating, flat floor, tons of legroom. This isn't budget EV interior. This is executive level luxury. Now let's talk numbers. 1,000 km range around 620 miles. If that number holds in real-world testing, this beats most Teslas on range. Expected fast charging, 10% to 80% in around 20–30 minutes. Battery tech, BYD's Blade battery known for safety and durability. Performance estimates, 0–60 mph in around 4 seconds for higher trims. So yes, this isn't just efficient, it's fast. Here's the real question: if BYD delivers 620 miles of range for $45,000, what happens to Tesla Model Y pricing? What happens to Ford, Hyundai, Kia? This could force the entire EV SUV market to reset pricing, because range anxiety disappears, and value becomes unbeatable. The 2027 BYD Dynasty D isn't just another electric SUV. It might be the beginning of a pricing war. Now, I want to know from you if this really launches at $45,000 with 1,000 kilometers range. Would you choose this over a Tesla Model Y? Or are you still Team Tesla? Drop your verdict in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Wheel Verdict, because the future of cars is just getting started.